Wisconsin says we all need to change our behaviors, and quickly, because right now, the COVID-19 projections don't look good.
If we continue on our current path without implementing safer at home to flatten the curve, the models show us that
Projections don't look good.
if we continue on our current path without implementing safer at home to flatten the curve, the models show us that we would likely have 20. If we continue on our current path without implementing safer at home to flatten the curve, the models show us that we would likely have 22,000 Wisconsinites who are positive for COVID-19 by April 8th and an estimated 440 to 1,500 deaths.
Under Governor Evers' order going into effect tomorrow, the essentials stay open, grocery stores and the food supply lines. But the 16-page order issued by Evers aims to limit human interaction, to limit the spread of COVID-19.
Folks do not need special permission to leave their homes. You can still go outdoors, walk your dog, go to the doctor, go to the pharmacist, and get other and groceries, and get all the supplies that you need.
But a lot of other businesses selling things from clothes to cards will be shut down.
It calls for sacrifice, no question about that. But we are working to make sure that at the national level and the state level, we are helping those small business people. Main Street businesses are the ones that are most at risk here. I understand that.
It's scary. It's scary for all mom and pop stores, and we're one of them.
Jeweler Jeff Sullivan in Brookfield knows this will be his last day open for weeks.
I grew up in a self-employed family, so I was always raised, if you make $10, save $8 because it's going to rain. Well, guess what? It's raining hard right now.
It is a tough time all around, Nick. We talked yesterday how, among other things, gas stations, convenience stores, hardware stores, and really anything related to healthcare are allowed to stay open. What about construction work? Because I know we have received a lot of questions about that.
Right, in reading that order, it appears that most construction work will be allowed to continue as long as the workers are following those social distancing rules. We just saw workers here at this new hotel under construction leave their site. They are expected to return here tomorrow, though the order does say that optional or aesthetic construction should be avoided.
Nick Bohr reporting live in Brookfield tonight. Now, the city of Milwaukee issued a similar order. It goes into effect just after midnight tonight. There is a long list of essential businesses staying open, including grocery stores, healthcare, pharmacies, childcare facilities, auto shops, bike and gas stations, along with restaurants for takeout only.
Brothers and sisters, predictive programming. This world would never give you peace. The protection of man, anything built or created by man, will not bring you peace or safety. We are safer with the Most High, with the protection through the beautiful, precious shed blood of His Son, our Savior.
That need to close include dine-in restaurants, bars, nightclubs, barbershops and salons, entertainment venues, gyms, fitness and tanning salons, libraries, and playgrounds.
The whole notion behind the stay-at-home orders is to try to do everything we can so that we don't spread the disease. In terms of enforcement, it is basically self-enforcing.
Again, this order in Milwaukee goes into effect 1 minute after midnight tonight.